Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying exactly which Office edition you own because activation steps differ. Sign into Windows with an admin account, then open any Office app like Word to start. Once done, choose Sign in with your Microsoft account or enter a product key. Do not skip this choice. Make sure your device is online. The activation servers will validate credentials or keys. If you use a company license, connect to your corporate network or VPN before proceeding. Otherwise, activation may fail. You now complete the core steps. Sign in when prompted because cloud licensing links products to your account. This is why signing in matters. If you have a product key, type all 25 characters carefully and choose Activate. Capitalization doesn't matter, but characters must match. For corporate setups, run the Office deployment tool or use settings right arrow activation to point to your KMS host or apply a MAK through your volume licensing portal. Once done, Office will contact servers and confirm license status. You finish by checking File right arrow account in any Office app, look for Product Activated and the correct account or license name. If status lags, close all Office apps and restart Windows, then reopen to refresh license state. Once done, update Office to ensure licensing components are current. If activation still fails, run the activation troubleshooter or use the support and recovery assistant. Keep your product key and account details ready. A key tip: check date, time, and internet proxy settings. They commonly block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.